Their leaves are covered in tentacles tipped with droplets of what appears to be morning dew. These droplets give the plant its name, the sundew. They're sweet-smelling and attractive to many insects, but they're also extremely sticky. Mosquitoes emerge in huge numbers from the boggy water, and the sundews are ready. The sundew's tentacles are living flypaper. Struggling only makes matters worse. With each contact, the plant tightens its grip. As more and more tentacles envelop the prey, the droplets spread across its body. Eventually, the insect is smothered and drowns in sticky fluid. Digestive enzymes break down the body into a nitrogen-rich meal which is absorbed by the plant. Without animal tissues, this plant would not survive.